Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching.
I was trying something a little different this week with that time lapse, and of course this is a pretty involved project. By the time I got it cut out, cleaned up the rust, placed the inner rocker down there with a new piece of metal, just that one little section of course. And then so the last thing is going to be cut this off and replace this piece in here. And then I've got to fill in from the backside over here to.
I'll probably continue on with this next week.
I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and replace the whole rocker panel. I have
Merry
replacements.
Christmas, Happy New Year.
And rather than just doing one little piece, I think I'm going to do the whole thing. So I can hold off on this backside piece till I get that in. And just got it on a rotisserie and turned up, and then I can put a piece
Happy
in
New
there.
Year.
And I'll get plenty of strength back. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's the end of 2015. We'll get back on this project starting into the new year in January and finish this up. I got quarter panels to do and quite a few others. You've only been looking at one little corner of this car. It's a 1966 Chevelle. And I've also got the Mustang, still working on it, and more projects to go on there. So
Thanks again for watching. Appreciate all the subscribers, and please do subscribe. And we'll see you again to 2016. See you next year. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.